Hi there, everybody. We are continuing in our book, English in Action 2, and this week we're starting Unit 5. Let's look on page 85 of your textbook, which is Unit 5. And you can see there the title. At the top of the page, the title is Airport Jobs. Okay, so this week we'll be talking about jobs. And for grammar, we are continuing with the simple present verb tense. This week we'll talk about questions in the simple present verb tense. All right, and then if we look at the bottom of the page here, we have a sentence which says, an airplane at a Los Angeles International Airport terminal. This is called a caption, and a caption explains what is happening in the picture. Okay, so where is this? This is at a Los Angeles airport. And the name of the airport is Los Angeles International Airport. And here in the picture, we can see a lot of things happening outside. So look at all the trucks here. They are working. We have a big blue airplane that's parked. We have the airport gates here where the people come and load onto the airplane. Okay, so yeah, whenever you see a picture, you'll often see a title and a caption which explains about the picture. All right, let's turn to the next page, page 86. And here we have some vocabulary words, and these are, here's the title for this, Jobs at the Airport. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over the pronunciation for you, and then together we'll go over this exercise B. You can also, if you want to, go into modules and listen to track 45. Again, if you want to listen to someone else read the jobs. And of course, you guys, as usual, if I'm talking too fast, you can always slow down this video, or you can pause it and practice yourself, practice the pronunciation yourself. All right, so let's go over these words here, these jobs. A baggage handler, a cabin cleaner, a flight attendant, a food prep worker, a gate service agent, a parking lot attendant, a passenger service worker, a pilot, a ramp agent, a reservation agent, a security screener, an air traffic controller, an aircraft mechanic. Okay, so let's look at these pictures here. And in exercise B, you have to write the name of the correct job under each picture. Okay, so if you have a pen or a pencil, I'm going to tell the names of the jobs here, and you can just write them down, okay? So number 1, what is his job? He is a reservation agent. Number 2, what is her job? She's a baggage handler. Baggage is the same thing as luggage or suitcases. Okay, so that is right up here. She's a baggage handler. And as you can hear, we're using the be verb, right? The be verb is, she is a, or he is a. We use the be verb with nouns. Okay, so he is a reservation agent. Reservation agent is a noun, and then we can use the be verb in front of that. Number 3, what is his job? He's a passenger service worker. So right up here in the second column, a passenger service worker. Number 4, oh, do you guys know what this guy's job is? What does he do? He's a pilot. He flies the plane. What is her job? She is a food prep worker. Prep means preparation. Okay, so she's a food prep worker right here in the first column. So she cooks. She's a food prep worker. Number 6, what is her job? She's a flight attendant right up here. She works with the passengers on an airplane. She's a flight attendant. Number 7, what is his job? He's an aircraft mechanic. He fixes planes. So right here, an aircraft mechanic. He fixes plane. Sometimes a job is just a mechanic, and that is someone who fixes cars, just a mechanic. I'm a mechanic, I fix cars. He's an aircraft mechanic, he fixes airplanes. Yeah. Number 8, what is her job? Looks like she's in a parking lot. She's a parking lot attendant. Okay, so she's a parking lot attendant here at the top. She's a parking lot attendant. He is parking his car and she is helping him. So she's a parking lot attendant. And then what is his job? He's a security screener. So he looks inside bags. He makes sure the plane is going to be safe. He's a security screener. And as you can listen, I'm also using the simple present tense, right? He looks inside bags. She works with the passengers. Remember, guys, to use your S at the end of the verb when we're using he or she or it. She cooks food. He's a pilot. He flies the airplane. All right, so you can go ahead and just write down those jobs here from 1 through 9. Thank you, everybody.